Hi, my name is Malcolm and I come from a small town far away from England. I always dreamt of exploring the world and learning English. So, I packed my bags and here I am in London. The city is bustling with people of different nationalities and breathtaking sights. As I begin my English learning journey, I come across a genius English teacher named Mr. Anderson. He is known for his extraordinary teaching methods. I attend his class, eager to absorb the language like a sponge. In the first lesson, Mr. Anderson tells us, to master English, you must immerse yourself in the language. Read books, watch movies, listen to music, and speak as much as possible. Practice makes perfect. He shares a list of recommended English books and movies, which I note down immediately. Excitedly, I rush to the nearest library to borrow an English book. As I flip through the pages, I realize that reading in English is not as daunting as I thought. I follow Mr. Anderson's advice and read aloud, allowing the words to flow from my mouth. It helps improve my pronunciation and gives me confidence. Next, I decide to watch an English movie. Putting on the subtitles, I listen carefully to the actors' dialogues. I try to pick up the correct pronunciation and rhythm of the language. Mr. Anderson's words echo in my mind, immerse yourself and soon you'll feel English flowing naturally from your lips. One day, while exploring a local cafe, I meet a cheerful girl named Mary. She is a Londoner and speaks fluent English. She notices my slight hesitation while conversing in English and offers to help. We start talking and Mary patiently corrects my mistakes. She teaches me idioms, phrases, and we engage in a friendly conversation. We spend hours together, enjoying the language exchange. Mr. Anderson's advice plays tricks in my mind again and again. His lessons and Mary's guidance have unleashed my language potential. Step by step, I am gaining confidence in speaking English and my vocabulary is expanding. I am learning and I am rising. But wait. What's that? As I gaze into Mary's eyes, her mysterious glimmer reveals secrets untold. I can't help but wonder, what is Mary's story? What adventures await us? What is she hiding?